So I decided to share another recipe that I was thrilled to find out was phase 1 compliant. I like having chicken taco meat that just sits in my fridge, and I can go have a salad and throw the chicken taco meat on top or whatever. But I use chicken taco meat a lot. But when I looked at the recipe that I was using, it was phase 1 compliant. So that was a good thing by me. So I thought I would show you guys what I do and how I make a big batch but still figure out what is a 4-ounce serving. Okay, because that's the important part in phase 1 is that we're only doing a 4-ounce serving. Okay, so what I do, I use, my recipe calls for 3 chicken breasts. So I just have a boneless, skinless chicken breast here. And you will see that this container is 2.1 pounds. Okay, so basically 2 pounds. So 2 pounds, there are 16 ounces in a pound. So therefore I should have 4 times 2. I should have 8 servings that are 4-ounce servings out of that 2 pounds. So we're going to save that information for later. Okay, I need chicken broth. I need a type of salsa, and salsas are fine. There's many that you can use. You just want to make sure that there is no sugar in the one that you choose, okay? No sugar and no of those things that you can't figure out what they are, but they're basically sugar. But anyway, this one I had been told would be just fine, so I do use that one quite a bit. And then 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And I make my own taco seasoning. I will give you the recipe down below so that there's no caking agents or things like that in there. Now, this first segment of the video, I wanted to show you that some of the things I do so that I can figure out how to portion out my servings later. All right, so I use an Instant Pot to make mine. So what I do, I've got my scale here, okay? One of the pieces of information I'm going to really want to have later is the weight of this pot, okay? So I'm going to put it on here, and I see that it's coming up with 1 pound, 12.6 ounces. And I have that written down over here on this piece of paper, 1 pound, 12.6 ounces. That's the Instant Pot empty. All right, so that is just a piece of information that I need ahead of time. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting the chicken breasts in there with 1/3 cup of the chicken stock, 1 cup of the salsa, and the 2 tablespoons of the taco seasoning. I'm going to go do that right now, and I will come back.